So we are here at the Colorado Convention Center in downtown Denver for Fan Expo Denver. Hey everybody, it's me. Welcome back to my channel. So we are here at the Colorado Convention Center in downtown Denver for Fan Expo Denver. So this was formerly named Denver Comic Con, of course. Now it's known as Fan Expo Denver. First, we have to get our press passes, and then we're going to head into the convention and see what goodies we can find. So like I said, first thing is first, we have to get our press passes. So let's do some magic and head inside. Magic! Alright, cool. So we got our press badges and we're now going to be heading into the convention. Let's do some magic and end up inside. Here we go. Magic! So we are now inside of Denver Fan Expo, formerly known as Comic Con. So if I refer to that in this video, my bad. One thing that you guys may notice, they are requiring masks here at the Fan Expo, which I think is a really great precaution as well. So I'm wearing a mask and a lot of people are doing cosplay are as well. Now, before we go, I want to show you a little bit of cosplay that I enjoyed over this weekend. Here you go. Magic! So we are inside the Denver Fan Expo. We're going to check out some booths and hopefully get ourselves a mystery box, some pins, or some goodies. Here we go! Magic! And we are back outside of Denver Fan Expo. Alright, so as promised, we picked up a little mystery bag, a mystery box, and then a little pin that we're going to open up right now. Alright, cool. The first thing that we found inside, which was a $10 mystery box, they did indicate that this would just be one item that we're going to be opening up here. So for 10 bucks, let's see what's inside this mystery box. Alright, cool. Let's see here. Again, that's from a company called Styling Online. Let's see what we got here. First look. And for $10, we got ourselves a little Hannibal, some sort of little vinyl figure. So that's nice. Should we open it up?
Yes! Yes!
Well, isn't that just frightening? I have no idea what this is from, so yeah. The next thing that we found in Denver Fan Expo is going to be this little mystery box, a very spicy, I'll call it, bag, which was quite enticing. This thing was 15 bucks. We're supposed to get 2 to 3 items in it, so let's see what's inside. Now we're going to open up the bag and see what we got inside this little mystery box. It looks like a lot of paper items. A couple things that I see here is going to be a little photo album. Let's take a look there. And it looks like some summer box PPP adventure cardboard. I don't know what the supposed to do with that. All right, cool. The next thing that I see in here is an accessory case made of plastic. That's nice. And it looks like some art is in here as well. Oh wow, okay, this is like very ridiculous. Oh wow, okay. All right, cool. The last thing that I found in the bag is gonna be these two little keychains. So yeah, that was a choice. That was a choice on the mystery bag. Isn't that nice? So that was $15. All right, cool. And the last thing that we snagged up was this 2021 Fan Expo pin. As you guys know, I'm a huge pin collector, so we had to add this one to the collection. Alrighty here. So that is the pin. So I'd say that was a success. Kinda. All right, that's a wrap on Denver Fan Expo Denver. Now, if you guys like what you saw, please hit that like button. Make sure to hit subscribe and that little notification bell to be notified every time I post a new video. Remember, I post new videos Saturdays at 10 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. I love you guys so much for watching, and until next time, bye!